we got this. Hi everyone, it's Hannah Weiner from Van Wide World, and I'm thrilled to tell you that the container shipment has successfully arrived in the USA. Overall, it went pretty smoothly. Of course, there were some twists and turns, but that's just the thing that happens when you start something new. There are a couple things that we learned. Number one is that the container shipment can come a couple of days early, which is pretty impractical because, well, my dad lives here in Romania, and that is pretty far away from the USA. And Ben lives also pretty far away from where the CycleCon will be. The second thing that we learned is that they're not allowed to unload at Ben's place because it's a 40 feet container, but that was a big problem, but he somehow managed it. I am, should we say, pretty impressed by that. So a big shout out to him and his crew who helped him solve this big problem. You're doing great. Keep going. Okay, so based on this experience, we're gonna slightly plan the CycleCon a little bit different because we obviously don't want the bikes to be there early because he won't be there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna ship the Velomobiles to Ben's place in Minnesota, and then we'll select a few and we'll bring those to the CycleCon for display and test drives. This way we, also if I say we, I don't mean I, because I'm not coming.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
This way we can focus our attention on our visitors and helping them test drive. Otherwise, we are concerned that we won't be able to maintain the standard of service that we strive to provide. And to be honest, I completely get it. I don't think my dad wants to be completely exhausted in the USA. And he really wants to enjoy the time being and meeting with you. Also, we have some advantages by shipping to Ben's place, because the bikes are going to be a couple weeks earlier, and let's say your schedule does not completely allow you to come to the CycleCon, you can still go to Ben's place. Also, Ben can ship with whole bike, if that's something for you. Oh, one more thing before I go. You have still 2 weeks to order your bikes and for the container shipment. Otherwise, we will fill the container with stock bikes, and then there's nothing more to choose. Have fun! See you next time! Bye bye!